Another year of crazy Wisconsin weather is in the books, and 2019 did not disappoint with record cold, a nasty spring, hot summer, and a wet and cold fall. From this to this in a matter of 2 weeks. That's winter in Wisconsin. 2019 started off dry and warm. Milwaukee topped out at 50 degrees in January with less than a half inch of snow on the ground. By the end of the month, we had 20 inches of snow and temps plummeted to 24 below with a wind chill temperature of minus 60. That cold snap continued into February when some schools were up to their 6th snow day.
I just smiled at myself and went back to bed a little bit.
March stayed dry but bitterly cold with near record low temperatures. Things get wet in spring.
It's not fun. It's April.
Really wet. Farmers say it was the worst spring in decades.
It's been a lousy growing year. It's delayed everything. Our sweet corn is way behind.
The average temperature in June, 64 degrees and another 4.5 inches of rain. And it wasn't just a Wisconsin problem. Up to 10 inches of rain fell in Houston in just a few hours. Schools closed, highways shut down, and more than 40 people had to be rescued from their cars. We cranked up the heat in July, 9 days in the 90s with the hottest temp of the year on July 10th when we reached 94 degrees and a heat index over 100. More than a dozen tornadoes touched down in northern Wisconsin on July 20th. Straight-line winds snapped hundreds of thousands of trees in the Nicolet National Forest. In August, the big story was thousands of miles away. Category 5 Hurricane Dorian devastated the Bahamas.
We have nothing left. All of our homes are destroyed. We have nowhere to go.
It'll go down as the worst natural disaster in the country's history. The 2019 hurricane season was the 4th most active in history with 18 named storms. Closer to home, Wisconsin ended up with 28 tornadoes in 2019, 5 more than normal. 2 of those came on October 1st. A line of storms dropped 2 small twisters in southeastern Wisconsin and 5 inches of rain. October ended with record snow on Halloween.
Happy Halloween. It's like, this is crazy.
Milwaukee saw 6 inches of snow. Other areas saw up to 8 inches. After a summer and fall break, the cold returned in November on the 12th. We only got to 19 degrees. It's the earliest teen temperature in Milwaukee's history. December hasn't been too bad for us, but up north, they've seen dangerously cold temps and heavy snow.